So it's going to be a bit of a shorter video, but today we're taking apart the engine bay. It is Father's Day, so to all the fathers out there, a happy Father's Day to you, and let's get into it. You know, if the fuel level sensor never went bad in this car, I honestly would have never started this channel up, and my 8 problems would not be a thing today. And to see that I did start it up and see so many people come out here and be supportive and tons of great suggestions being recommended down in the comments, it really means a lot to me. I never thought it would blow up this fast. We're currently sitting at 160 subs in just under 2 months. And that's honestly wild to me. I can't believe it. So that only motivates me to do this even more and continue making tutorials for you guys. So with all my heart, thank you. I really appreciate it. And let's get into the video. So we got our battery box out there and our battery. Next thing we're going to be doing is working our way right to here, and we're going to be pulling this next. We got 2 bolts sitting right back up in here, it looks like. So I'm trying to reach my hand in there and get them out. Now that that's finally out, we are going to work our way back to the washer fluid here. So let's get that out. So we got our wiper washer reservoir out. We have our pump here out, and we have our battery and battery box out here. We have a little bit of surface rust going down here, but that's nothing that can't be cleaned up, so that's looking good there. And as far as the coolant reservoir goes and the radiator, I think I'm gonna leave them until the end of all this. So I'll get the premix kit in, we'll fix the solenoids, we'll get the new box and put the battery back in. And then I think we're gonna come up here and do this last, mainly because I still want coolant just sitting in the system for now. Other than that, I think this is mainly what we need to get to. So in the next video, we can start our tutorials back up, and we're going to be working with our premix kit here. I may have to go down here a little bit more and take these out, because I know I need to get to the lines that are down there. But that'll be for the next video. Hope you all enjoyed, and I'll see you then.